Good morning and welcome back to... It's currently 7:30. Good morning. But if you want to see my morning workout at 5:30, God, I can't believe that was 2 hours ago, guys. Watch the next clip.
Can you help asking how did it come to this? Was it something that I missed that led us to this place? I can't help asking why, when it just seemed to me things were good obviously. Life doesn't always work out as we planned. But if you can hear me and show me a sign, 'cause in my heart you are near me. I'm only asking that you try. Nothing's the same, just come back 'cause I need you. Gonna be strong, yeah, I know we can see this through. Nothing's the same, you're so close but yet so far. No one's to blame, could you hear me crying? You gotta be strong, gotta keep on trying. Nothing's the same without you, so keep holding on. Every night on my knees, I say a little prayer. Is there really someone there to answer all my pleas? All I'm asking for is a little miracle. Just make it possible for you to wake and see my tears. So if you can hear me, then show me a sign. 'Cause in my heart you are near me. I'm only asking that you try. Nothing's the same, just come back 'cause I need you. Gonna be strong, yeah, I know we can see this through. Nothing's the same, you're so close but yet so...
We're getting ready for school. We're gonna have our vitamins now. The pink vitamins too.
What did I Wednesday put?
Monkey Eduardo. Thank you.
I made my first proper song.
Proper song.
Yeah. I had to write it
Right,
down.
right now.
It's called
What's it called?
4,
You and Me.
3,
Oh, that's nice.
2, 1, 0. Engage. Double
Cannot do
right
her. It's 8:10. I'm now making my breakfast. It's cooking on the stove. I'm making my porridge, which is this one right here, the Root Health sprouted porridge oats. This milk, the Alpro Organic Almond unsweetened. And I'm gonna add in all my little bits. Starting with cinnamon. Just adding some raisins, and now I'm adding my dates. These dates are particularly good. I love when they're soft and mushy. All right, Albie, calm down. It is now almost 8:30. Jonathan's already back. When we moved like, it's only like 4 minutes away from where we used to live, but because like 4 minutes in the mornings or in rush hour can mean like 15 minutes or maybe even 20 minutes depending on traffic. So we have had to, I say we, I mean Jonathan, he's the one who does the morning school runs, and he has had to leave. We just have to adjust everything a quarter of an hour earlier so that he can be back and like beat the traffic and be back home when he used to be, if that makes sense. So you can still get to the school for 8, even if you leave at like...
Okay, get to school at these.
Yeah.
Get back home afterwards.
It's after. But anyway, so he usually leaves at 7:45 now. and that will ensure that he's back for like before half it. You were back at like 25 past, I think. Breakfast is served, and as you guys can tell, it is the same as always. For some reason, people still get angry about that. I don't know why. I literally say it all the time, guys. I'm boring. Like, I eat almost the same, not everything the same, but like I eat the same breakfast every morning. I just like it, okay?
You've made the same husband for like 10 years.
Jonathan eats the same breakfast in the morning too, but I guess he doesn't do it what he
I
wants.
changed it up from almond milk to almond yogurt from time to time.
That's amazing. You know what? It's really cold at the moment and it's really wintry, and this breakfast is just like the best. In the summer it's a bit weird, I think, to be eating hot porridge, but for now it's just what I needed. And then I also made a black coffee. I drank a whole bottle of water this morning with my workout. Andrea's still here. And yeah, that's gonna be my breakfast. Say hi. It's currently about 10:30 and we're in the playroom. I am just about to feed Andrea. Hi. Hi. Oh, he's so cute. But I just made a little snack, and this has actually been one of my favorite snacks to have lately. I had the exact same thing yesterday. I think I've been sharing it on Insta stories, but it is this, which is a quinoa cake. So instead of a rice cake, it is, I found them on Eyeshadow and they had a really good rating. And quinoa is supposed to be really good for you because it's full of protein. So it's made with quinoa and pulses. And then I just slather on top some almond butter. I use the Meridian brand. It's the smooth kind, is the one that I like. And it's got no palm oil in it and no like added sugar or anything. It's just like pure almonds. And then I just add some blueberries and some raspberries on top because I always buy fresh berries, and then Jonathan does eat blueberries, but no one ever eats the raspberries except for me, so I don't know. My kids love strawberries, but they don't love raspberries. And Amelia keeps asking for strawberries and I'm like, they're not in season, Amelia. It's the dead of winter. But I'm gonna have that now. And you're gonna have some milk? Yes? You're gonna have some milk? It's currently about 5 to 10 past 1 and I'm making lunch. I'm actually gonna turn this light on. I'm just hard boiling 2 eggs. And they are organic free-range eggs from Dalesford Farm. This is Dalesford, isn't it? Yeah, Dalesford Farm. And then I've also, oh, this is also from Dalesford. This is not sponsored by Dalesford, but I wish it was because I get a lot of things from there, including our salmon. This is the garlic and herb olives. So I'm gonna put some of these with my lunch, I think. And then I'm gonna make the egg salad a little bit healthier. I'm gonna do it with cottage cheese and mash that all up together with some salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna put it on some rye bread and maybe add some more veggies as well. And lunch is served. So we've got my homemade egg salad with cucumbers, olives, and the rye bread, and my second bottle of water. It is currently 2 minutes past 4. And I just got back from the doctor's. Andrea had his shots. There he is. He's like high on Calpol, right? Not high, but he never gets Calpol, and obviously it's got paracetamol in it. But as soon as he got it, he has to get it 3 times today. As soon as he got it, he was just like, woo, like really happy. Out for the count as soon as I put him in the car. And so, yeah, he's loving life right now. But I have to give it to him again at 10 past 7 and then again at 10 past 11. And I'm like fast asleep by then. So I'm gonna get Jonathan to give it to him because Jonathan's awake. That's usually Jonathan's bedtime. So I'm having myself a little snack. I made my coffee. My coffees like aren't frothing. I don't know what it is. I got this new Ericino, which is exactly the same, but I got it on Amazon, and it's the Nespresso Ericino. I don't know, is it like faulty or something? But sometimes it froths and sometimes it doesn't. And I thought it was a dud milk, but then we changed to a new almond milk, like the same almond milk, but a new carton of that barista blend, which is supposed to be really frothy and usually is amazing. And yesterday I made it and it was amazing. It's not working for some reason. So I don't know what's going on. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. I'm having some green and black's almond chocolate as well because I am so craving some sweets right now, but I love that dipped in. So that's gonna be my little snack. It is now 10 to 6. We're actually getting our hair cut tonight. Alex is coming over to cut everyone's hair, so we're having like a family haircut. I need a cut as well, like my ends are just not okay. It's dinner time, and this is not an ad, but we are having HelloFresh, a HelloFresh meal. We got a HelloFresh order this week. This is our second bag of the week, and I mean our second recipe. So we're having meatballs and cheesy mash, and I will show you guys the recipe card. So it's meatballs with cheesy mash, pancetta and onion gravy. Also came with broccoli, like the tender stem broccoli, which is my favorite. I love broccoli anyway, but I really like that tender stem broccoli, and I'm using it in another recipe that isn't HelloFresh later on this week. So that's our dinner tonight. Jonathan and I are having a mini date night because we do have a nanny to put the kids to bed this evening because Wednesdays are our date nights. I saw a comment, somebody said, who puts the kids to bed and who gets them up in the morning, and then who like goes to them when they wake up at night? Obviously we do. We do like 95% of the time. I mean, we always do if they get up in the night, obviously, and we're always there to wake them up in the morning. But I guess you guys don't see everything in these videos. Just know that a lot happens outside of what you see in the videos, if that makes sense. But no, on Wednesday nights, typically we do have like a date night where we just kind of have a night off. And so I know it probably looks like we don't ever put our kids to bed or whatever, but that is not the case at all. Like when Wednesday rolls around, I'm like, yes, freedom. And I still have to put Andrea down, obviously. So I'm gonna have my dinner now. I don't know where Jonathan is, but I'm just gonna eat without him because I am starving to death. And I also filled my water bottle for the 3rd time, so I'm gonna have that.
Loving you is easy, you're amazing. Feel like I could laugh or I could cry. Loving you is cushy, you're so handsome. Please take a bite of my apple pie. Oh baby, baby, never leave me. Say you'll be my boy always and forever. We'll be together, 'cause I think I love you.
It is currently almost 10:30. It's like an hour later than what I usually go to sleep, but we got a little bit delayed because Alex was over and she cut my hair. As you can probably tell, she blow dried it as well, so I'm just gonna style it tomorrow. But it got super late because she did the whole family, like, and I was last, and I had to put Andrea to bed as well. But I'm armed with Calpol because he needs to have his last one at 11. So I think I'm gonna wake him now, just because I'm awake. So I'm gonna do that now and give him his dream feed at the same time because it just went on. But usually, you guys know I go to bed way earlier than this. I'm gonna now take my prenatals, finish up my water. It's almost finished. And that is pretty much it for the day. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Check out my blog for outfit pictures if you want to see more details on what I was wearing today. And subscribe for more. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I will talk to you guys in my next one.